What's up, everybody on YouTube? It's been a while, but now you can hear the Redey heater. Remember when I first got this? This was like probably about a year and a half ago, probably. Because I got this in July. I know it sounds crazy, I got a heater in July. Right now it's October, and it is cold out here. This actually feels really good. Actually, this heater is actually heating up, not just in front of me, but I got kind of a wind draft that's been just blowing it everywhere. But the thing runs on diesel, regular pump diesel. It says to use kerosene or heating oil, or #1 diesel or #1 heating oil. Well, kerosene for me is impractical, and you must be wondering why I hold this. This is my dedicated diesel can. You can see it's all blasted with diesel. This is for my heater. I use this all the time. This is actually pretty nifty. If I were to do it over again, you know how I mean, I guess you can get diesel cans that are smaller, but most of them come in 5 gallons. I don't buy 5 gallons of diesel at a time. I buy 2.5. This is a perfect size, and this is very convenient. I recommend this style. I don't even know what this style is. To be honest with you, it doesn't really tell me anything. It's a gasoline can. But diesel and gasoline cans, they are the same dang can. Same plastic, just a different color and a different label. That's all it is. This is the exact same stuff that a diesel can is made out of. So I use this. I get 2.5 gallons at a time, and I put it into this thing. So, for instance, let me give you an example. The reason why it's pointed over here is because I was showing you, because it's dark, and I didn't want to have all this light. I don't know, I just had it pointing out here. And I know some people say it stinks when you turn them on. Yes, it will. It blows a little smoke. This thing blows a little smoke on diesel when I turn it on, but for this place, I don't care. If I was heating my house, kerosene. Not that I recommend putting this thing in a house. I do not recommend that. In fact, if you put it in a house, I take no responsibility for what might happen. These things are meant to be outdoor garage shop type heaters. They're not meant to be inside. If you want to get an inside one, get a wick type one. I don't care what kind of wick type, just get a wick type one that's rated. And don't put diesel in a wick type heater. That's a big no-no. I just can put diesel in this because it has you can see in there. You can't really see that, but there's a jet in there that's atomizing it, so it's spraying it like mist, a fine mist. What that's doing is that's creating oxygen particles get into there. A spark plug goes off. It's kind of like a lawnmower spark plug, but not really. It's got an electrode here, comes out, and an electrode there. It's kind of got a weird U-shaped thing I can't really show on camera. It's pretty cool. Now I know Redey heaters, the company Redey, is out of business, but to get parts for these, it's not really that hard. You just got to know how to use Google. If you know how to use Google, you can get any parts for these. I have not, to be honest with you. I got this last year, and like I said, last year, maybe a year and a half ago, and I haven't had to do any maintenance to it. I know you're supposed to clean these air filters. Like I said, where I live right now, I don't have access to a filter rebuild kit. Yes, I know I can get one on the internet. I know I can. But, I'm just going to, run this heater till it freaking quits working. I mean, I know that sounds very bad, but it's not really, because there's only a couple things that could be wrong with them. 1, the flame sensor. 2, the spark plug. 3, the fuel pump inject, the thing that makes the fuel come in, which would be this box. This is the fuel pump back here, and this little hole actually blows air out of it. So if I plug it up, you can see the flames inside change. But yeah, this is actually a pretty good little heater. I recommend, if you're going to get a heater like this, these are what I recommend. I recommend anywhere from a 75,000 BTU heater to 1,225. I think I said that right. Anywhere from those that heat range for a garage, like my 3-car garage, this thing will heat up about 10 minutes. This thing will get that garage nice and hot. This thing's actually a little bit too big for my applications that I have it for. Like this shop, I turn it on in about, like, I swear it's like, whoa, I'm falling. I just tripped over speaker. This place in about 2 minutes, it'll be up to about 80 degrees. Like, I swear it will. I don't have a thermometer to tell you that, but you have to believe me that it is. But yeah, this is the Redey heater. It is back on YouTube. Talk to you all later. One more quick look at the fiery red part on the front. You can see it's glowing nice and red. And I'll leave it at that.